In today's episode, I ventured the abandoned kindergarten that has a amount of stuff left inside. It once played a key role as a local kindergarten, but due to a decline in enrollment and the foundation's financial difficulties, it's shutting its door in the 2010s. From nostalgic toys to very pristine condition musical instruments, still holding this place. Now let's check it out to see what I'll discover inside. It is still rare for me to hit the type of kindergarten among school-like facilities. Vines are invading into the building. Probably this was the main office. Kind of ransacked as well though. Bunch of files on the floor. Let's hit the basement first. This could have been used for the library and entertainment room. I'll get this English education book for kids. Hospital bed over there. Got a Korean traditional instrument. And basketball hoop for kids. Also, we have a piano here. Wow, so random stuff fell in this section. Most kindergarten have a piano, so it's not that interesting, you know. I think I have to test if it is perfectly tuned. There is no suitable place to put the camera. This is way more intact than any piano I've seen in abandoned places so far. Honestly, it sounds perfect. Mute pedal is also perfectly working. This is wild. Root accorda seems to broken. Oh wait, that song just popped into my head. Yeah, I gotta place this song in a place with this bike for real. This looks like some kind of ball pit. A lot of destruction in this area. Got stacks of mattresses. Okay, now we up to the first floor hallway again. Give you guys stuff that reminds you of childhood memories. I remember this toy. I'm not sure if other Gen Z like me will see this, but they probably know this 200%. A lot of things. A lot of things. Look at this plain kitchen pot. Yeah, it's really nostalgia. There's a bunch of pencils and crayon sets. It's insane to see the amount of waste. When I was in kindergarten, I used to draw trees or animals on colored paper with a pen like this. It's a core memory, but it feels kind of surreal. Given that printer, it must have been some kind of tiny administrative office. The old wood cabinet is cool. Drop ceiling is caving in due to water leaking. It's got a whole buy for the kids. Everything's are decorated with kids stuff. Take a look at that tiny toilet. Pretty little. Arrow binding baby here. It's really vicious plant. Let's go up. Ooh, these stains. Kinda a little bit of sketch. Yo, look at this dinosaur figure. I used to play with this when I was kindergarten in America. These toys are the same in both countries. Very interesting. No matter where you're born or raised, children are all the same. As far as I know, there was a dolphin type of that figure too. Utensils. This looks like a Tic Tac, but not sure the exact name. Bendel's Toadstool toys over here. Oh, we got a glockenspiel. It seems that the musical instruments used in kindergartens in the US and Korea are almost identical, except for the traditional instruments. I couldn't find the stick, but this pen is gonna be an excellent replacement. Wow, that's pretty amazing. This plus plus is exactly the same as the one I used to play with when I was a kid. I'm trying to make something for real when else would I get the chance to try something like this. The sensation in my hand really brings me nostalgia. You could see that book's colors are faded from the sunlight through this window. Just bleach. The moon is so bright in the night sky, but it actually can't produce sunlight. They just glow by reflecting the sun. But during the day, the sun is so bright that you can't even see the moon. Only comes out when it gets darker. The moon that looks different every day. This might have been a storybook designed for early science education. It seems a little bit of vandalism, but otherwise perfect. Almost 10 years ago. Just found another traditional percussion. Oh man, these rubber gloves are completely melted. This is not smashed, thankfully. Vandals haven't gone through yet. Isn't my work cool? Yeah, really cool. Let's give it a look. It's a 3D art. It looks like such a square waffle iron. Oh, what? I've never seen this before. It looks like the goal is to create a 3D maze using this piece as a walls. You can also create structures however you like. Kind of funny. You can see the art pieces made by kindergarten students. Teddy bear. 2011. It's all just drawn with a pen on foil, but children's art has its own unique vibe. I love that. Still got a lot of things, including this marble. Science room. Some kind of education for science. Oh my goodness, did you hear that? How does it feel so peaceful? It'd be cool if the bird sang just one more time. Thanks! Oh, spiderweb. Dude, this canvas is so massive and peaceful. And it was a nice exploration that really woke me up good old days. Good old days. Even though it was way smaller than the kindergarten I went to in the US, most of the things inside had the exact same vibe. It legit felt like a quick flashback to my childhood. Just instantly unlocked my core memory. The property is awaiting redevelopment following a change in ownership. However, things are not going to according to plan, so this building will remain waste for some time. Considering the waves of vandals and scrapers this kindergarten had seen, its fate doesn't look very positive.